Alright, I'm Nicholas Ibrahim, and this is my yearly report. I chose to do the year 1914. So, 1914 was the year of immense political turmoil throughout the globe, especially in Europe, especially across Europe. 1914 was the year in which the First World War was ignited, splitting Europe into two groups, the Central Powers consisting of Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy, and Turkey, against the Allied powers, which consisted of England, France, Russia, and the United States. The war was originally sparked due to the assassination of Archduke Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary, sparking a chain reaction that spurred a series of alliances into a global war. The total warfare drained the globe of much of its resources, including around 37 million human beings. The war was only possible due to the Industrial Revolution, which occurred almost 20 years earlier, which provided numerous guns, tanks, airplanes, and resources for the countries in their wars. Countries are extremely tense ties, so interactions and ideas were scarcely spread between the populations, yet many art pieces shared similar themes, all calling for a world peace and an end to the war. 1914 and the beginning of World War I sparked a series of technological advancements, especially those that could help the war efforts of a nation. Many weapons were developed, such as the Maxim gun, which was one of the first automatic machine guns, mustard gas, tanks, and much more. In addition, there were also numerous technological advancements that improved the daily lives of civilians at home. Some of the notable inventions being the air conditioning system, an increase in mechanical vehicles, and numerous other consumer goods. Plus, many other advancements were made through the construction of the Panama Canal, the eventual increase in interaction with the less developed world outside of Europe and the Middle East, and much more. The year of 1914 was primarily filled with the concerns regarding the First World War, but that did not prevent numerous scientific discoveries from being found and researched. For example, scientists were able to discover a previously unknown moon on the planet Jupiter. Plus, the space rocket was officially patented, enabling humans with the ability to leave our planet and explore the rest of the galaxy, which would go on for the next 100 years and so forth. Now, how did this all influence the art? Art during 1914 was extremely diverse, but numerous pieces often shared a common trend, the unspoken call for peace throughout the world. However, some artists used their talents to persuade civilians to join the war effort through the glorification of war in their work. The majority of the artists often portrayed a harsh, realistic depiction of the war, as shown through some of the pieces below. That being Paul Nash' We Are Making a New World, and Study for Sappers at Work by David Bomberg. In summary, the year of 1914 was filled with a series of global political conflicts which seemed to influence and drive art in either a direction of support or antagonization of war. Thank you.